Hey there creator, I'm Rob and welcome to vidIQ. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete breakdown of how to get started with a faceless channel on YouTube. We are going to cover what even is a faceless YouTube channel, are there any legal risks involved, and how much could you potentially earn with real examples from successful channels.
This video is less quality than a faceless video, but this video got 130,000 views. That shows the interest of how many people want to learn about how to make money using faceless videos. Before I come to you, I have done my homework. I have definitely analyzed the whole video and learned everything in just a couple of minutes using AI, of course. And this system involves simply 4 steps called FACE. Your passive income is in step number E. Step number 1, find a profitable niche.
Find a profitable niche. To do this, you need to focus on niches with a popular American audience, such as sports, celebrities, true crime. Generally speaking, YouTube tends to pay higher CPMs for US audiences.
Well, now he's talking about CPM, which is cost per million views. Because this video is about getting views in your YouTube videos and earn from ad revenue paid by YouTube. But I don't want you to rely on that, because if you rely on this, you have to get tons of views to make decent amount of money. That's why I recommend doing digital marketing at the same time. Of course, using your faceless channel. If you want to clearly understand digital marketing step by step, then I recommend watch this video. Find this video on my YouTube channel, and if you can't find it, don't worry. I'll drop the link in the description. In that video, I have shared 4 different digital marketing accounts, and I shared step by step how thousands of affiliates who promoted our programs earned commissions like this, and $2.6 million like this. And a lot of them are beginners just like you. Yes, it is good to find American audience, but the top 3 niches are health, wealth, and relationship. And in this video, I shared how you can make money even if you are not expert on any of this. Step number 2, analyze successful channels or video pages. Hey, I'm not calling my channel successful because one of the biggest success variable is number of subscribers, and I have only 2,700 on this channel. And that is also something I explained in this video with the real numbers and facts, that you do not need a lot of subscribers in order to make a lot of money. But I would definitely call this channel successful, which is 100% faceless. It's got 931,000 followers or subscribers. And with this, I want to prove a point. Let's watch a couple of seconds of this video as it got 1.5 million views.
In this video, you learn about 12 of the biggest mistakes that almost every investor makes, according to Warren Buffett. I'll admit a few of my own investing sins along the way.
First of all, everyone wants to learn about mistakes so they can avoid that, because it's human psychology. They don't want to see themselves as a stupid. The second thing, 12 investing mistakes. This is called listicle. Whenever there is a number involved, more and more people are interested to watch it. And this video got 1.5 million views. One of the most viewed videos on this channel.
To be a good sport. This is the Swedish Investor, bringing you the best tips and tools for reaching financial freedom through stock market investing. Number 1, timing the market.
The animated handwriting on the whiteboard makes it more engaging, so people keep watching. And that's also why I use the whiteboard. In summary, even without showing face and without a lot of animated effects, this channel is successful because of the content. And there is one more thing, the topics of the videos. And if you want to learn how to get unlimited topic ideas, then watch this video. Step number C, content creation experience.
You need to get your hands creatively dirty by starting out as a regular creator. If you are just getting started on YouTube for the first time with no experience, then it is important to learn the skills of running a YouTube channel. This means at the very beginning that you shouldn't outsource the work, such as script writing and video editing. And the reason for this is pretty simple. Nothing beats practical YouTube experience.
That's absolutely true. Number 1, you can save money by not hiring others to do the job you need to do, because you're planning to do it for a long time, because you want to make a lot of money with it. So you want to achieve pure hands-on experience, and you want to learn the entire
YouTube video production process, and also develop that instinct for what makes a good video. And then eventually, once you do have a proof of concept, the channel is making money,
then you can hire people from the money you earned. And only after that, you can expand through outsourcing. Now, you might argue that there is AI, and I share how to use AI in every video. You can do it too. But hey, when you expand through outsourcing, even the AI part will be outsourced as well. And that is the time when you will earn a real passive income. For this video, AI has given us 2 different ratings for 2 different side hustles, but in my opinion, they're both the same. But hey, let's have a look. For Faceless YouTube channel, ease of earning is 4 out of 5. Opportunity to make $100 per day is 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5 is only possible when you combine digital marketing, income from selling digital products, and affiliate marketing, and AdSense or ad revenue. And maintenance, 3 out of 5. It's true, because ultimately you constantly have to keep making videos. The second one is automated channels. Ease of starting, 5 out of 5. I think it's talking about completely AI-made video channels. I don't think it's ever possible to be 5 out of 5 for ease of starting. Because even if you use AI or any other fancy software, you must know what is quality of content, what your audience want. Otherwise, you will not get results. So I disagree with AI in this case. Chance of making $100 per day, 4 out of 5, absolutely true. Maintenance, 2 out of 5, yeah, it's okay. Did you like this video? Hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Check the links in the description, especially the link to this video. Watch this video, you will learn everything step by step, how we make money and how we help our beginner students earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commissions, even without going viral, even without massive views, even without using YouTube. And yes, if you want to learn more about making money online, free traffic, passive income, affiliate marketing, then watch these videos and these videos. We'll see you on the next one.